Hello people, and welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is this nice piece of beef. I'm going to take it apart, take the fat off, and like slice it down a bit, and it's going to go in the slow cooker. With it, it's going to have some carrots, some rough chopped peppers, some chunky potatoes, sliced up onion, some garlic, a couple of tomatoes sliced up, and some bay leaves. I'm going to make a stock up with basically these are gravy granules, like beef ones, and a chicken stock cube. And in with it, obviously we're going to have tomato ketchup, paprika, black pepper, oregano, and some oil, which I'm going to fry off the onions and garlic. Oh, and some salt, but I don't think it's going to need the salt because this is quite salty. So I'll get all this all prepped up and I'll bring you back. Okay, so where we're at the moment, I've got the stock made up over here. It's nice and thick. It's got the beef granules, chicken stock cube, and the tomato sauce. I've cleaned up that the joint of beef. I ended up taking the fat off because I just didn't want it in there anyway. So these have been cut down into nice thick chunks. And what we have, chopped up our potatoes, nice and chunky, carrots and tomatoes, chunky peppers, yellow and red peppers, and just nice onion rings and rough chopped garlic. So what I'm going to do is going to get the stock and everything into the slow cooker, and we'll come back then. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're over with the slow cooker. So I'm going to put the stock in, lay in our nice bits of beef, black ground pepper, about a tablespoon of oregano, about a teaspoon of paprika, and as you know I always change stuff, some cinnamon, and our bay leaves. Into that we're going to put our carrots, potatoes and tomatoes, our peppers, and we'll let that do its thing for a minute. It's going to cook for you. Onions and garlic, nice and softened down. Put them in now, and we'll be back. I don't know. Well, it'd be seconds for you, but for me it'd be about 6 to 7 hours. So we'll see you then. Okay, so we're back. It's been around about 7 hours. This has been going. So what I'm going to do is search around here and get this lovely beef. Let's see this. I don't know if you can see it. It's all falling apart. So I'll just get this out and we'll carve it up. Okay. That is unbelievable. So what I'm going to do is get the rest of the vegetables and the rest of that gravy stock. It's going to reduce down a bit more, so it thickens up, and I'll plate this up, and that is going to be awesome. I absolutely love it. Okay, so we're back. We've got a really nice bit of beef which has been done in the slow cooker, which is just falling apart. You can see it. It's like a bit like a brisket. Potatoes, carrots, peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, some spices, paprika and cinnamon, all done in the slow cooker. These are, I've just tasted one of these carrots, they're so sweet. A little bit of parsley over the top, and what we've got a little bit of gravy, which I've reduced down a bit, and lovely, and a bit thicker, not too thick. Nice bit of, I'd say it is brisket. It's brisket, beef brisket. So it's going to be tasty. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, see you later.